Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and of course good vibes, no back up, good food and good vibes is a must. I hope say on a nice and on a say bless. On today's menu we have some mackerel rundung, boiled dumpling and yellow yam. Woo guys, here are the ingredients that I will be using today. Yes, here they are. I say this is one cookings when I'm excited about because me say I will run down a rundown. Trust me. So of course we have to scald off the mackerel here to get rid of the excess salt. So I'm putting it in some hot water to boil it off, and voila, just like that, it done. So I'm going to start on the run part of my rundown. So I'm going to skim off all the cream part of the top of the coconut milk. So yeah, the nice creamy goodness, we'll take off that part there and dash it in our frying pan. So I have my fire on low flame. So that's why you can see it a bubble little. Because fire under its skin. So I'm going to allow it to cook until it curdles. So when you see it start to curdles, see it start to curdle. Yes, the curdling has already begun. So yeah, that's when it gets lumpy. So that start to go on, pan water go on. So me stir it up. And then me gonna leave it for it go and curdle. Now let's work on my dumpling. So I'm adding some salt to my flour and give it a little blend, and then me dash in some water. Okay, now we'll try combine everything to make one nice fat dough. So fold it in and add more water if necessary. And of course mine did need more because it looked dry. So that's it, knead up a flour. So now that my dough is formed, I'm going to make some little cartwheels. So I'm just going to say the dough soft and feel good. So I'm going to start by separating my dough into the size of the dumplings that I want. It's medium go for. And now let's form the dumplings. This part is always interesting to me because everybody make dumpling differently. And I honestly don't know how I construct my own this way. Because boy, trust me, this is not how my mom makes her dumpling. But yeah, some me make them. But is the end result is what really matters, right? So as long as you make something. So yeah, while I was kneading the flour, Obi was peeling the yam and cut it up. So he's adding it to the pot of hot water, which also has salt and vinegar in it. So the vinegar is to prevent the yam from getting black or whatever kind of other ugly color it can get. So yeah, dumpling done make. Here's a peek on the coconut milk. So I'm going to add the dumplings to the pot with the yam. So see my medium dumpling them here. That's it. So now I'm going to prep my salt mackerel. And by this time, guys, I can tell you now, my kitchen smell up nice. The coconut milk just a kick and just a go on. Just listen, I don't know why it have to so violent. I don't like violence, you know. I'm a lover, not a fighter. But yeah. So I'm just taking off the skin but this is mainly to debone this little fella. So guys, because of me trying to get out all of the bone, because of my babies, I ended up making the mackerel smaller than I would normally do it if they weren't gonna eat it. So mom life in full effect. So it go. So forgive me for the mince up mackerel, but me really no need for them for biting on no bone, or worse, for bone stop at them throat. So I'm thoroughly going through this mackerel. So if it wasn't for them, mainly me would have just take out the big bone, the two big bone, get rid of the head and get rid of the tail, and then that would have be, you know, me. But nah, when you got children and they be eating the same from the same pot, which me like, yeah, you have to prepare for them. Me and mash it out. Get those bones. So here it is, and now let's add it to the reduced coconut milk. And guys, give it a little stir it up, give it a little cover down. Mind you, this not look so appealing, you know, but on a trust, when I say trust, CHUSS, trust, when I say nice, so yeah, cover it down. And here are my other niceness that I'm going to add to this awesomeness: 2 medium tomatoes, some sweet peppers, and onions. Whoopsie, smell come right through. So dash them in, add them all, and add a tablespoon of minced garlic, some pimento powder, good. If you have pimento, use it. Some dried thyme and blend them all in one accord. Guys, this might seem like it's a lot of veggies for you, but remember, we all do things differently. So add the amount that you like, right? Look at that. So I'm gonna add some Scotch bonnet pepper, and of course also some black pepper. Guys, the smell of this thing is out of this world. Nah man, so cover it down for about 2 minutes, and just like that, our weed is done. Vibes fam, uno drop what uno a do and run come here. Me say run come cause I news this. First and foremost, I'm gonna pray to the Lord that he gives someone the knowledge to create smelly vision. Smelly vision, me say, because I so wish you guys could smell this. Guys, I enjoyed my dinner so much, and not to mention my husband. While I was cooking the rundown, he came in the kitchen to tell me how good it smells and that it reminds him of home. And I told him it reminded me of my childhood when my mom used to make this. Trust me, Vibes fam, uno must tired for hear me say this recipe is a must try or that recipe is a must try. But that one is definitely a must try. It might not look appealing when it a cook, but trust me, in this case, uno no watch no looks, a taste alone I do it in this case. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Please comment down below and tell me if you enjoy mackerel rundown. Hit the like button and share this with Auntie Pringles so that she can make it feel. Go send it to her. And new watchers, please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Link is in the description box. God bless you.